So, Mr. Invader, what did you come here for?
What?
Uh,
Hello? You said you want to
I'm
start?
a chicken nugget.
I didn't even do a thing.
That is surely a problem. Because if you're a chicken nugget, then that means you're not a human. Because humans are not identified as chicken nuggets.
Oh my, get it over with. My gosh.
So that's a huge problem. So you have to go to a hospital and get yourself checked up and ask the doctors if you are a human or a chicken nugget. Therefore, I cannot answer that problem for you.
Just go to our fryer.
Exactly. Okay, have a
Who will,
nice day. Have a nice
who,
day.
who